Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Binance account on laptop or PC. So if you also want to log in Binance account on laptop or PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in binance.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Binance. At top right corner you can also see the option for login and sign up. If you do not have an account, all you have to do is click on the sign up option that you can see right over here. But if you already have an account, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to the login interface of Binance. Here you'll have to provide your email or phone number. If you're providing your phone number, make sure to provide it without country code. Click on this box. Now enter your email or phone number. Now you can see the option for next over here. All you have to do is click on it. Or you can also continue with Google or continue with Apple. Now you'll have to enter your password. Click on this box. Enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option forget password and then you'll be able to reset it. After you've entered the correct password, simply click on the next option that you can see right over here. After that, what you have to do is open Binance application on your phone. If you do not have Binance application on your phone, you can also click on this option switch to another verification method. Now here you'll have to choose an authenticator. You can see the option for email over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Open Gmail. Simply go to New tab. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll be able to see the Gmail option right over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, Binance has sent you an email. All you have to do is click on it. Memorize this code. Now go back to Binance tab. Now enter your code. Now you can see over here, you've been logged into your Binance account. So that is how you log in Binance account on laptop or PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.